Today in this video I am going to discuss why forex market go ups and down and why forex market moves. But now I'm going to show you our one real account trade, and this is the small account, so I think you will enjoy it. So there you can see that this is the live account, and we already withdraw and they are from $500, and there is the last 1 month trading. So in this account we made almost $1,700 profit, and if you want to copy our trade, you can do this, and by copy our trade you can earn money in learning time, or if you want you can use an automatic trading robot, and by this robot you don't need to do anything, but you can earn money without do anything, because this software will do everything for you. So in the video details I put a video, watch this for more details. Okay, now we can go to the main video. Hello friends, it's me AsirFx. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. So this is the video number 13, A to Z Forex course. So basically in this video I will discuss with you some matter that why forex market currency price go up and go down, and why this market open 24 hours. Okay, so why this currency price go up and down? Because if you see the chart, the price sometimes go up and sometimes goes down. It's only because of economic news, the forex news. So say for example, so if you are from the America and if you get some bad news that 50,000 people lose their job tomorrow, so is that a good news for the America? No, it's not a good news. So if this kind of news published that okay, tomorrow 50,000 people will lose their job, this news is very bad for the America, so the US dollar price will be go down. And if in the other hand, if you get some good news is that okay, tomorrow 100,000 people get a new job in the Europe, so this is a very good price for the euro. So this is the good news, that's why euro price will go up. So in the forex market there are many kind of news, like the employment, like the interest rate decision, like the FOMC, like ECB press conference. There are many news. Some big news we can find, so maybe in the next video I will show you that how to get those news. So some important news we get in the website, but every time the small news comes, so those things we don't see, but this kind of news every time is coming. That's why when some news come in the forex market, the market go, if it's good for the currencies, it's go up, and if it's bad for the currencies, it's go down. That's why 24-hour is market going up and down. And also another effect is that the thousands of millions, because in this market the millions of forex traders exist. So when all the trader buy some specific currencies, and most of the people interested with buy something, then for the trader behavior market price also move. But it's not too much important, because most of the case the forex market moves with the news effect, and the secondary with the trader behavior also make effect for the forex market. And for that reason, when there is not too much big news, then market also moves small. That's why at the night time you can see that market is not move too much fast, it's move slowly, because at that time there is not too much news come. But in the morning at the 9 a.m. when all the government office start, banks start, and everything is getting start, and at that time many news come. That's why at that time we can see a long candle in the market. Market moves up and going down, many things happen. But at the night time there is not too much news, but the market moves slowly, because those movements happens with the trader behavior. So in the future I will also discuss about these things, what is the market sentiment and what is the market behavior. And now the another question is that why this market open 24 hours. So this is a simple thing. Say for example you are from the USA and I am from the Asia. So when the USA in the night, in Asia at that time this is the day. So maybe bank close in your country, but bank are open in my country and all the transactions are happening in my country also. And when at the night in my country, at that time it is a daytime and office hour in your country, in the America. That's why the 24-hour in the world, some banks are open and they are doing trading and they are buying the currency and selling the currency. They are doing many things. That's why it's don't close. It's running 24-hour because in the world there are lots of banks and the time is not same in the world. Some place in the day, some place in the night, and some place maybe in the afternoon. So in 24-hour, some bank every time is open. So this market moves 24-hour. So I think you get the answer and you understand these things, that why these things happens. But I also remind these things, forex market moves for the economic news, and the second things, the trader sentiment and the market behavior, and why this currency market open 24-hour, because in the world some bank open every time because of the time change. Maybe this is the night for your country, but this is the day for my country. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me by the WhatsApp, Skype or email, or by the comment. I will try to reply your all the question. And if you want to know more, you can visit our website. And also, if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. And I hope you will learn everything about forex from my channel. Okay, bye, have a good day.